Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. The name of this channel is Igbo Academy and my name is Chema. Today we are going to talk about animals in Igbo language. Animals in Igbo language, and they are called anụmamụ. Anụmamụ. So we're going to talk about anụmamụ, that's animals. Anụmamụ is one animal, but that's animal. Any word, I don't know. You're going to talk about anụmamụ because there are many animals, just as you have in English. They have names in Igbo. So I'm going to talk about 15 of each. You know, the animals are divided into domestic animals and wild animals. The domestic animals is called anụ ụlọ. Then the wild animals are called anụ. Wild is agụ. So anụ. Animals that we find in the wild. And we are also going to talk about insects, which is called ụmụ or arụrụ. So we are going to start with 15 domestic animals. 15 domestic animals. Number one of the domestic animals is, you all know, goats. Goats. And goat is called ewu. Goats called ewu. Ewu. So people, when you do something that is very annoying, someone will just call you goat. Ewu. Or call you animal. So that's Igbo. If you learn Igbo, you have to learn all these things. Goat, ewu. Goat, ewu. Number two, fowl. Fowl. And fowl is called ọkụkọ. Fowl, ọkụkọ. Fowl, ọkụkọ. Number three, cow. Cow. Efi or ehi. Anyone? You know, in Igbo dialects, there's people that use like in Anambra, they use more of F, and in other parts they use more of H. Like in Abia, H, Enugu H. Maybe you see an Anambra person saying Efi or Afambo, but in Enugu, another parts, some parts, you see them saying Ahambo. So whenever you see H and F, when they are interchanged, just know that we are talking about the same thing. So number three is cow. Cow is called Efi or Ehi, anyone you want to call it. Number four, sheep. Sheep is called Atoro. Atoro, that's sheep. Sheep is called atoro. Number five, dog. The dog is called nkịta. Dog. Nkịta. Dog. Nkịta. Number six is the bird. The bird that flies in the sky, the bird. The bird is called nnụnụ. Bird, nnụnụ. Bird, nnụnụ. Number seven, the cat. The cat is called nwamba. Cat. Cat. Nwamba. Number eight is the ram. The ram is called ebule. Ram, ebule. Number nine, donkey. Donkey is called ịnyịnya. Donkey. ịnyịnya. Donkey, ịnyịnya. Then number 10, the duck. The duck. The duck is called obogo. The duck is called obogo. Duck, obogo. Number 11, the frog. The frog is called mbara. Frog, mbara. Frog, mbara. Number 12, the lamb. The lamb is called waturu. Lamb, waturu. Number 13, the lizard is called ngwere. Lizard, ngwere. The lizard is called ngwere. Number 14, the pig is called ezi. Pig, ezi. Pig, ezi. You can see sometimes they call people, hey, you're such a pig. That means that you're so dirty. Igbo ezi. Igbo ezi. So when someone calls you ezi, you know that the person is calling you a pig. And definitely you're not a pig. Then number 15 is the pigeon. The pigeon is called nduli. Pigeon, nduli. Pigeon, nduli. So those are the 15 domestic animals that we've called out. And remember that the domestic animals are called anụlo. The domestic animals are called anụlo. That means they are the animals that we see at home. Then we now go over to the, okay, let me just put one more. Let me just put this bonus one. Turkey is called toro toro in Igbo. Turkey is called toro toro. Turkey, toro toro. So that's what we call it in Igbo language. Now we'll go over to the wild animals. And the wild animals are called anụagụ. Anụagụ, wild animals. They are animals that we see in the forest, that we see in the wild, that don't stay with us at home because they are dangerous, they are harmful. They can be. They are mostly harmful to us, so we don't keep them at home. Ha bụ ụmụ anụmanụ na-adị n'agụ. Ada edobe ha n'ụlọ maka na ha dịrọ mma edobe n'ụlọ. Ha nwere ike igbu mmadụ ma ịhapụ ha n'ụlọ. Examples of these animals are 1. Elephant. And the elephant is called Enyimba. You know there's a state in Nigeria where we have Enyimba. That's elephant of the place, of the people. Elephant is called Enyi. Elephant is called Enyi. Number 2, the eagle. The eagle is called Ugo. I just like that. I just like that name, Ugo. I just like the eagle. The eagle is called Ugo. Eagle, Ugo. Because we all know that an eagle is a powerful bird that can fly far and fast. It's it denotes a very, very good thing in Igbo language or in Igbo land. So the eagle is called Ugo. Number 3, the antelope. Antelope is called Mbada. Antelope, Mbada. Antelope is called Mbada. Number 4, The leopard is called agụ. The leopard is called agụ. The leopard is called agụ. Number 5. The lion is called ọdụm. Lion is called ọdụm. The lion is called ọdụm. Number 6. The owl that flies at night. Owl. No, it's bat that flies at night, it's not bat. Owl. The owl is called ikwikwi. The owl is called ikwikwi. Owl is called ikwikwi. Number 7. The snake is called agwọ. Snake, agwọ. Number 8. The squirrel is called ọsa. Squirrel, ọsa. Squirrel, ọsa. Number 9. The tortoise is called mbe. Tortoise is called mbe. Tortoise is called mbe. Mbe. Number 10. The vulture is called udele. The vulture is called udele. The vulture is called udele. In Igbo land they say udele bajan. Udele is the vulture is a bad animal, as in they don't eat it. In Igbo land it is not eaten. So it's a bad meat for an Igbo man. An Igbo man doesn't eat the vulture. So vulture is called udele. Then number 11, crocodile. The crocodile is called agụiyi. The crocodile is called agụiyi. Crocodile is called agụiyi. Number 12 is a parrot. The parrot is called ichokwu. Parrot, ichokwu. Parrot, ichokwu. Number 14. Okay. Number 13. The buffalo or the bush cow. The buffalo is called atu. Buffalo, atu. Buffalo, atu. Number 14. The hippopotamus. The hippopotamus is called utobo. Hippopotamus is called utobo. The hippopotamus is called utobo. Utobo. Number 14. Chimpanzee is called adaka. The chimpanzee is called adaka. The chimpanzee is called adaka. Number 15. The python. Python is called eke. Python is called eke. The python is called eke. Let me just put some bonus ones in case if it's not complete. We also have the snake, which we call agwọ. Agwọ. Snake. Agwọ. Snake. Agwọ. We have the grass cutter, which we call inchi. Inchi. Grass cutter. So that is it for the wild animals. And I've told you, and we all know that wild animals are animals that live in the forest or in the wild, that don't live at home. And they are called anụmamụ in Igbo language. So now next, we go over to the insects in Igbo language. Insects. We have any insects. An insect is called ụmụ arụrụ. Some people call it ụmụ ahụhụ. Some people call it arụrụ. So anyone it is. anyone your tongue, your dialect is. Most of these things, the standard Igbo I'm using is not what most people use in their villages. In Igbo language, they say Igbo na sunolu. They have different dialects in Igbo language, but this is just the Igbo that we use in communicating, we use in writing in our schools. Once you go to secondary schools, primary schools, this is the Igbo that is being taught there. But the dialects are so many. So now we'll go back to the insects, which are called ụmụahụhụ. And okay, let's start. Number one, we have the ants. We call it arụrụ, ants, arụrụ. Number two, ants, arụrụ, ants, arụrụ. Number two, we have the fly. The fly, we call it ijiji. Fly, ijiji. Fly, ijiji, ijiji, ijiji. Number three, the cockroach. Ochicha. Ochicha. Cockroach. Ochicha. 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 Mosquito. Mosquito is called anwụnta. Mosquito, anwụnta. That's number four. Mosquito, anwụnta. The termite. The termite is called akika. Termites. You know termites that used to eat wood. It is called akika. Akika. The tick you find on a dog's body is called igbo. Tick, igbo. Sorry, tick, igbo. Is that what you find on the dog's body? No, I don't used to call it that way. I don't know, but tick is called igbo. The worm is called ogbo. Worm, ogbo. The black ant is called akpịsị. Black ant, akpịsị. Black ant, akpịsị. The grasshopper is called ụkpana. Grasshopper, ụkpana. Grasshopper, ụkpana. The earthworm is called idide. Earthworm, idide. Earthworm, idide. Then the bedbug is called chinchi. Bedbug is called chinchi. Bedbug, chinchi. The cricket is called mbuzu. Mbuzu is standard Igbo, but in my language, in Nsukka, I'm from Nsukka, we call it abuzu. I know many people have many names to call it, but the standard Igbo, it is called mbuzu. Then we have the millipede. The millipede is called esu. Millipede is called esu. Millipede is called esu. Then that's that about the termites. There are many other termites, but these are the ones I can just think of now. So I want you to add to it in the comment section if you know many other termites and their names in Igbo language. The name I'm calling it might not be the name you call it in your dialect, but this is the standard Igbo language. So that's that about the anụmamụ and ụmụahụhụ. That's the animals and the insects in Igbo language. The domestic animals and the wild animals. The domestic animals are called anụlo because you can see them at home. The wild animals are called anụagụ because you see them in the forest. You don't see them in the house, just like the domestic animals. Thank you so much for this lesson. Okay, now I'm going to give you a homework. the homework. Kwuo. Okay, or deputa, kwuo or deputa anụ ụlọ atọ ịmụtara taa. Deputa anụ ụlọ atọ ịmụtara taa. Then number 2, deputa ụmụ arụrụ ise ịmụtara taa. Deputa ụmụ arụrụ ise ịmụtara taa. That's write out 5 insects that you learned today. The first one, write out 3 domestic animals that you learned today. Then number 3, deputa anụ agụ ise ịmụtara taa. Deputa kwuo anụ agụ ise ịmụtara taa. Ọ gịnị bụ anụ agụ ise ịmụtara taa? Ọ kedu anụ agụ ise ịmụtara na nkụzi taa? So what are the 5 wild animals that you learned today? Now I've talked about kedu, gịnị, kwuo, kọwapụta. They're all saying the same thing. So in the homework I'm giving you, which is the questions I'm giving you, which is ajụjụ, or even the homework that I'm giving you, just write 3 of the domestic animals, 5 of the insects, and 5 of the wild animals that you learned today. Thank you so much for staying tuned to my channel. I hope you like what you see. If you like what you see, please press the like button, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. I want to see your comments. I want to see what you think. I want to see how many you've learned. I want you to learn it. I want you to learn Igbo. So if you come to Igbo land and they're speaking, you will not be lost. So if you're an Igbo and you're not staying in Nigeria, or you're not staying in Igbo land, and others are saying something in Igbo, you will not be lost. I want you to be among. I don't want any Igbo person to be lost, or anybody. I want everybody to learn how to speak the language. Thank you, and do have a nice day. Kemesia, Kodibazia. Bye.